Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make basic pasta, and here are the ingredients needed for the basic pasta recipe. I've just got a typical bag of penne, marinara in a jar, salt for your boiling water, pepper for the pasta, olive oil for the water, onion powder, garlic powder, optional are red pepper flakes and Parmesan cheese. You're going to let your pasta boil for about 10 minutes and you're going to stir occasionally. So you want to go ahead and heat up your sauce. So I'm going to put half a jar into a pan. I like to use a normal pan. It's just easier to enter the pasta in there when you're done. And then to the sauce, we're going to add some stuff. We're going to add a dash of garlic powder, a dash of onion powder, a dash of black pepper, and this is optional if you like spicy. I always add red pepper, and you can add as much or as little as you want of this. I like it spicy though. So after about 10 minutes, you're gonna pick up the pasta because it's done boiling, and you're gonna strain it. I put my strainer already on in the sink, and I'm just gonna strain my pasta. So after you have your cooked pasta, you're gonna slowly dump it so it doesn't splatter into your sauce. And mix. So your finished product should be a bowl of pasta. You can add any protein you'd really like. I didn't add any protein because I didn't really want any. I just sprinkle with some Parmesan cheese and enjoy.